So here's how to create Shopify store on mobile. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Chrome browser. Once you are logged into your Chrome browser, now here you have to search for the shopify.com. After that, you have to click on this link. Once you click on this link, now it will take you to the Shopify website. Then here you have to simply enter your email address and then click on the start free trial. Once you click on it, now it will redirect you to this page where you have to first describe yourself. Here you have to select any of these options that best suits you to, then hit on the next. After that, at this page, you have to tell where would you like to sell. Once you successfully selected this option, now hit on the next. Once you hit on the next, now it will redirect you to another page where you have to tell that what you want to sell. Here you have to select all the possible options that suits you. After choosing your best options, you have to again hit on the next. Now it will ask you to select your account, and once you have selected your account, now it will redirect you to another page. Here at this page, Shopify will verify all of your details. Now as you can see that my Shopify store has been successfully created. So that's how to create Shopify store on mobile.